So I've cut all the jig off. I'm just going to take it off now. Can you see? I've had to cut around it. It's quite rotten there. Look how rotten that is. So yeah, both sides. You can see there. Not in great condition, is it? But yeah, that's all of the jigs there, all done. I'll now show you where I am. So as you can see on the, you can see the chassis there, quite rotten. See it in there. That. Oh, see the chassis. This is quite rotten inside there. You can see up there that way it's been welded up before. It's not great, is it? I've got to take all this metal off here, get it to a nice shape, and then I'm going to template all that and then build a new one. Same again the other side. Really rotten from the inside out. As someone did comment, it's quite bad. So again, obviously I'm gonna take this plate off here where someone's bodged up, make a template up, and rebuild this this chassis. Well, started cutting all this metal away, ready for a new piece of metal to go in. I am going to take a lot of this underseal off first and see what we've got here, what we're playing with here. So this is what I'm going to do next. So I wanted to just get stuck in today. Got on a bit of a mission cleaning this up. We've actually got metal. Can you believe it? It's actually metal there. Not so good down here. I'm not going to show you the front because that's even worse. But all cleaned up down here, ready to make the chassis. See it very well. I'm happy with all this. I've got on with. It's come off quite well actually with the multi-tool, but I used the scraper. I used that file done quite well to get it all off, but I mean at least I've got some metal to actually weld to now. But down here you can see I'm going to put that piece of metal across here. So yeah, I'm happy with that, and I'll see you next time.